What's up with the people? How y'all doing today, man? It's talking crypto and stocks and Sly Fox. For those that don't know, for those that do know, what it do? How y'all feeling out there? I hope your investments is up today. I hope everybody that really watched me and really watched the last video has considered not only investing in crypto, but stepping over to the stocks. Because when the crypto flat and acting up, sometimes the stocks is popping. And the stocks been popping lately, people. It's been a couple days to where, we've had sell-offs from the past, 3-4 weeks of straight gains. So it's not a surprise that the market sold off. You know what I mean? So the market sold off because of gains from the previous 3 to 4 weeks, and mainly because of the Feds coming out Friday, and they don't know where the market gonna go after the Feds come out and say what they gotta say. The Feds will be raising the interest rates in September, not Friday. They just gonna come out and chop it up with us a little bit. You know what I mean? So there we had that. I wanna break down the stocks and how it happened today, right? So before I do that, though, I want to discuss the elephant in the room, right? What's the elephant in the room? The elephant in the room is it a safe time to invest? Where are we at in the market? I'm just going to tell y'all right now. This is not the time to invest with money that you need for your mortgage, your electricity, your cable, your kids' volleyball tournament week season. You know what I mean? This is not the market for that. Only invest with money that you can afford to lose. And we're not in this to lose nothing. We don't do nothing to lose. You know what I mean? But at the same time, to protect, your real investments like your house, you know what I mean? Your car, your kids, and not in that order. You know what I mean? But to protect your real investments, right now is not the time to be going in heavy and going in big. You know what I mean? In anything, stocks or crypto. But I will say, stocks have bounced back. You know what I mean? And they bounced back in a pretty good way. People's perception of where the market is right now is all over the place. And everybody is quote unquote professionals, but it's all over the place. So some people, what's going on right now in the economy that's bringing the market down? It's the interest rates, right? The Fed keep raising the interest rate. And he raising the interest rate to do what? Battle inflation, right? But it's backfiring because they saying that he might have raised it too much, and it's going to cause the market, it's going to cause us to go into a recession. You know what I mean? So by the way, this is a weed friendly podcast. You know what I mean? If you at home right now and you got your bowl or your blunt or your joint or your whatever you got, you know what I mean? If you got your dabber, you know what I mean? If you got your pen, put it in the air. You know what I mean? It's a 420 friendly podcast. You know what I mean? So it's a lot of people that think we not gonna tackle inflation for the next 4 to 8. Excuse me. Yes, 4 to 8 quarters, which means a year or two. I had to tell y'all that. I'm not here to tell y'all only good news. That's what them other channels is for. You come over here to hear the real. We could be battling inflation for the next 4 to 8 years. I mean 4 to 8 quarters, which means 1 to 2 years, right? And the reason why is because it takes that long to get back down. They're trying to get it back down to 2%. Where we at? Like 9%? Come on now. So they're trying to get it back down to 2%. It might be a while before it get back down to 2%. So we ain't out the clear yet. You know what I mean? We ain't nowhere near the clear. So that's what I'm telling y'all. Now, I'm not that investor that's gonna always tell you don't drop lump sums, because if you want to win big, you gotta spend big. You know what I mean? Scared money don't make no money. You know what I mean? So don't be expecting. You know, I talk to different people about crypto and stocks, and the first thing they do is find out is if the littlest money possible is gonna make them rich. What happened if I put in $5? Am I gonna get rich? If I let $20 stand there for a year, am I gonna get rich? People, scared money don't make no money. You gotta, if you wanna, you gotta spend to win. You can't expect to get a whole lot off a little, even though that's what we doing. Your little gotta at least be, if you planning to make 30, 40, 50,000, your little gotta be at least $3,000. You know what I mean? So let's get this mindset of I'm only gonna put in 200. Well, if you only gonna put in 200, you know, even if you 10 times your bread, what's that? $2,000. It's cool, but right now, the market that we in is the greatest transformation of wealth. You know what I mean? So, as I'm telling y'all to not put lump sums in, put as much as you can in over amount of time. Dollar cost averaging is basically what that is, right? Over amount of time. You know what I mean? And, you know, like I said, we're going to be battling inflation for the next 4 to 8 quarters. So that's 1 to 2 years that you could be getting your money right. You know what I mean? Getting your portfolio right. Setting yourself up for, you know, what's to come. And what's to come? What's to come is 4 to 5 years of an upward swing after this recession is over. So every day for 4 to 5 years, you just leveling up, getting bread. You know what I mean? So that's where we at right now. We're approaching 10 minutes. I'm gonna plan to have this video done by 15 minutes, right? So here's where we are in the stock market. I'm gonna give y'all a few plays. For those that don't know, weed stocks have been up. Weed stocks have been up, and I'm about to show you, right? Okay, so we're gonna start this off with AMC. What's up? We're gonna start this off. What's up, Denver? Come here, man. Let the people see you. Say what's up to the people. Say what's up. So anyway, that's my little nephew, Denver. You know what I mean? He wanted to come make his presence felt, you know what I mean, to the people. But anyway, AMC Entertainment, right? For those that don't know, for those that just searching through the YouTube and just happen to catch your boy today, give me a like, give me a subscribe, you know what I mean? And for all the people that don't know, AMC was down 60% last week, right? Today AMC was up a little bit, right? Today AMC in the pre-market, AMC was up like 20 some odd percent. You know what I mean? So that's very good. It rebounded, but as the day went on, it's down again. Well, it's not down, but it's pretty much a penny, a 1 cent right now, 1% up for the day, right? So for the week, AMC is down 55%. 55%. So for those that want to get in on AMC, this might be a good position for you to get in. $9.65. It just came from where was that? $18 or something like that. Canopy Growth. It's a weed stock. Today it's up 13%. You know what I mean? In the pre-market, it was down. So if a lot of y'all got Robinhood in the pre-market, see, hedge fund managers, they do stuff like that to throw beginners off. If a beginner wake up at 6 and they see the thing going down like that, most likely they're not going to invest. You know what I mean? So that's why they do that, to throw beginners off. As soon as the market start, that thing gonna shoot up. You know what I mean? Like a rocket. But Canopy Growth, put that on your watch list if it ain't already on there. Canopy Growth is up 53.78% for the month. That's a whole lot of paper. You know what I mean? 53.78% for the month. Grow Generation is up 4% today. You know what I mean? That's another weed stock. Check it out. Tilray Brands is up 4% today. These are all weed stocks, right? Aurora Cannabis is up 8.45% today. Weed stock. Bed Bath & Beyond was up damn near 30% in the pre-market. Since then, it has cooled off to 14%. So Bed Bath & Beyond is back to doing numbers. You know what I mean? Back to doing percentages. We in the green, baby. We in the green. We 14% up today. Bed Bath & Beyond is $10. It's a good spot to get in. Check it out. Bed Bath & Beyond for the month was up damn near 400%. Has any of your crypto been up 400%? Ask yourself. Maybe I need to start checking into these stocks. These stocks, right? So check this out. A lot of people don't like investing in Robinhood. Why? Because they make you wait 3 to 5 to 6 days for your money. Go to Cash App. You can get your money right then. To cash out, you're going to have to pay a little bit of something. You know what I mean? But it ain't that much, especially if you didn't double your money or you done made 13-14% of your money on that day. Invest in stocks and Cash App. You know what I mean? That's where I first started. I was doing hella good. I was a day trader back then, only specifically, and I was doing good. You know what I mean? Straight through Cash App. So for the week, Bed Bath & Beyond is still down 47.62% from that sell-off. You know what I mean? So this is another stock I want y'all to pay attention to. We pulling up on 15 minutes. I knew I wasn't gonna make it. DraftKings, right? DraftKings was up like 6% today. It's down to like 3%. Put that on your watch list. DraftKings is a very good stock, right? EV Go, charging station stock for the gasless cars, right? EV Go is up 6-7% today. Good stock. Put that on your watch list. Marathon Digital, I told y'all about that yesterday. If you didn't see the video yesterday, it should say, I think the name of the video was AMC 8 Not Cool, man. You know what I mean? Stocks versus crypto. So check that out. Marathon Digital. Bit Digital was up 2.61%. It's down a little bit from about 5% for the day. But all of the stocks is making a comeback from when everything sold off. You know what I mean? Ride Blockchain was up about 8% today. And when you watch the video, you're going to hear what I have to say about Ride Blockchain. When I get on my technology, I'm going to be able to say the video is right here. And it's going to be right there. But I don't know how to do that yet, so we're going to keep this video popping. The last stock of the day I'm going to give y'all to put on your watch list is something that every family pretty much know about. Kirkland's, right? It's the Costco brand. Y'all check out Kirkland's. It's been running up. It's down a little bit. It's like 3.5% right now, but today it was like 6-7%. It's been going crazy. Check Kirkland's out. You know what I mean? That concludes our video today. I was going to go over a little bit of crypto, but I might come back later. We approached 17 minutes. It's Talking Crypto and Stocks with Sly Fox. Love, peace, always 100.